What happens when great intelligence meets unstoppable power? Meet the Samsung Galaxy S25, the most powerful and innovative Galaxy yet. Let's explore its groundbreaking features and why it's a game-changer for 2025. Boosted by a customized processor, the Galaxy S25 brings you a true AI companion, more personalized, seamless, and smarter than ever. With the integration of an object-aware engine for lifelike photos, pro-scaler display for upscaling low-res content, and a revolutionary cooling system for uninterrupted performance, the S25 series redefines innovation. It's also the thinnest Ultra ever, with floating cameras, curved edges, and ultra-tough glass ceramic. The Galaxy S25 series takes performance to the next level. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, it outpaces the S24's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with faster processing and enhanced AI capabilities. The camera system is upgraded with the object-aware engine and ProVisual technology for better low-light photography and reduced noise in videos. The S25 Ultra is thinner, features floating cameras, and has improved cooling for sustained gaming and multitasking. The Galaxy S25 is crafted with a unified and iconic design. Its anti-reflective glass and ultra-tough ceramic make it as durable as it is beautiful. Available in a range of colors. The S25 series stands out as a design masterpiece. At the sound of your voice, the Galaxy S25 connects apps, creates schedules, and manages your life effortlessly. Imagine saying, "Find a pet-friendly Italian restaurant nearby and text it to Luca," and it's done. Summarize long calls into actionable points, or receive personalized briefs with health insights and calendar updates throughout your day. With the Galaxy S25, life becomes more seamless. Capture life in all its wonder with the Galaxy S25's camera system. Take lifelike portraits with backlight corrections and extraordinary detail with every lens. Sharper, noise-free night videos with rich color expression are now possible, even in low light. Plus, with a built-in sound studio, you can tune your audio to perfection. Smoother gameplay, longer battery life, and revolutionary cooling make the Galaxy S25 a dream for gamers. Whether you're exploring vast virtual worlds or engaging in intense battles, the S25 keeps up without heating up. The Galaxy S25 Ultra stands strong against the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Pixel 9 Pro, and OnePlus 13. While the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers excellent hardware, the S25 Ultra excels in AI capabilities and multitasking. The Pixel 9 Pro provides a solid Android experience, but it can't match the S25's camera and design. And although the OnePlus 13 offers great value, it lacks the AI integration and advanced features of the S25 series. The Galaxy S25 series is a revolutionary leap forward. If you're using the Galaxy S24, the S25's smarter AI, enhanced camera system, and better cooling make it worth the upgrade. For users of older models like the S22, the S25 offers a monumental leap in technology and performance. The Galaxy S25 starts at $799, the S25 Plus at $999, and the S25 Ultra at $1,299. The series officially launches on February 7th, 2025, with pre-order bonuses available. The Galaxy S25 series offers game-changing AI, stunning design, and best-in-class cameras. While the premium price tag may be a consideration, the features and performance justify the cost. The Galaxy S25 series offers an unprecedented combination of intelligence, design, and performance. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25? Is it the upgrade you've been waiting for? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.